Hi, my friends. This is Ian, the owner of Buildabizonline, and I'd like to say welcome. Welcome if you are brand new. Welcome to all our oldies. Now, I'm addressing this mainly to free members and those that have done nothing with Buildabizonline yet. Okay, now, do you know what will happen if you do nothing? Nothing will happen. You will not build your downline of Buildabizonline, which you can view there incidentally. You will not be able to promote your your programs, your existing programs using our platform if you do nothing. And you will not make any money here at Buildabizonline if you do nothing. If you do something, you have got a chance. And I'm going to show you one or two things that you need to implement if you've not done that yet. Because sadly, we do get, and you're not going to believe this, so please make sure you're sitting down when I tell you this. We get a lot of people join us for free that do nothing. Now, this is where it gets frightening. We get a lot of people that join us for free and then upgrade for $1 to try out the tools for 15 days that do nothing. We get a lot of people, I hope you're sitting down for this one and the next one. We get a lot of people that join, upgrade to $10 and $14 that do nothing. Now, I'm not sure what they're expecting, but nothing will happen. You will not earn no money, build your downline, or get any more sign-ups using our system if you do nothing. So what I would like you to do today, please, for your sake, it's not for my sake, it's not for my sake. We're doing quite well, thank you very much. But I want you to do well also. I want you to follow the 4 steps just here. Implement everything in the 4 steps. Ever so simple to do. Then if you're brand new and you've got no advertising programs, because this is the key. Advertise, advertise, advertise. That is the key to making money and building your list. So advertise. So go to this link here, Traffic Downline Builder, and join some of the advertising programs there. Okay, they're the ones that we recommend and that are working. Otherwise, we just take them out. When they stop working, we take them out and put something else in there. Now then, if you want to start building your downline faster, I want you to click on this. It's free. So click on there and it will bring you to this page that Martin over Reduce the Hype has added for us, okay? He comes up with all these systems. Now then, it simply says, attention, not making any money online, you need this. Start earning online today. You can. Some people have started earning money straight away. Would you like to learn how you can start earning multiple 2 and 250s? And that's what our free members can earn. You can earn, if somebody upgrades underneath you, $2 and $2.50. If you upgrade, you can earn $6 and $10. That's 70%. 70% of the fee. Okay? Get it 100% free. Now, just click on that link. Click on this one. Okay, and I want you to read through it because this is what people will say. What is this system? That can help not only earn unlimited $2, $2.50, $6, and $10 commission while promoting your existing online business. It's the Buildabizonline marketing system. Okay, it tells you if you upgrade, this is what you can expect. Okay, now then, they can click and watch the video. Do that. Do that. Now, what I want you to do then, I want you to grab your system, this system, by putting in your, just there, and then clicking update the ID, and then you'll get 2 links. Okay, I suggest you promote this one. Copy it and put it in a new tab, and that will be yours. There we have it. So when somebody hovers over this, you can see down on the bottom left hand side of the splash page Buildabizonline or Buildabiz. Okay, if you hover over this one, what do you see? Bottom left, it's a shortcut to my programs page. So I will actually be promoting my own business if they click on that. Now, if they try to go off the page, and I've done it too many times at this moment. No, I haven't. There we have it. They can go, it'll take them to this. It's a little pop-up. And what happens? There we have it. This is another page down bottom left. It's the tool demo page. So you've got multiple ways of catching people's attention and building your downline faster at Buildabizonline. So I hope you don't feel intimidated by this video, but it's sad to say that we have a lot of people. When I say a lot of people do something with Buildabizonline, but I'm addressing those that do nothing. Because what does that mean? If you do nothing, you get nothing. You get nothing out of it. You've wasted your time filling in that form, and we don't want you to do that. We want you to progress online. We want you to start making money online. Now, you can either do it with Buildabizonline or combine it by promoting your business at the same time. Okay, my friends? So this is Ian signing out, saying thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next video.